Hello guys, I know it's been quite a bit since I've uploaded a video, but freshman year of college is really a transition phase that I'm trying to get used to. But since I have uploaded the last EAS of 2021 video, the national tests in specific, I've pondered about how I was going to, let's just say, do 2022 season while I'm on campus, since things are starting to get a little easier for me. I want to first clarify a couple of things regarding like my location and whatnot, like what stations I can get. So as of right now, I can get the following stations, which are WXJ42 on Channel 1, broadcasting from West Peak in Meriden, Connecticut. WXJ41, broadcasting atop Soapstone Mountain in Somers, Connecticut on Channel 4. WWH33, broadcasting atop Mohawk Mountain in Cornwall, Connecticut on Channel 5. WWF48, broadcasting atop Mount Greylock in Adams, Massachusetts on Channel 6. And lastly, WXL93, broadcasting atop Mount Ansabusket in Paxton, Massachusetts on Channel 7. So with all this said, it's important to note that Channel 5, Channel 6, and Channel 7 have signal quality that varies depending on the day and whatnot due to distance from the transmitter. So the chances of me getting alerts on them depend on my roster, which is the next subject of this video. So as of right now, the radios I have in my possession on campus on February 18th, 2022 is my 12-996, my 12-993, and my WR300 version 8, and my HH54VP2 version 16. So with those four, it's perfectly suitable because I'm not really getting alerts as I'm making besides weekly tests when I do come home earlier or come back to my room from classes. And this is where I get into some interesting territory with the roster, since few of you may be dying to know what I'm going to be bringing with me after spring break. Here's what I'm thinking for the roster of March to like May. So besides the 996, 993, WR300 version 8, and my HH54VP2 version 16, I'm considering bringing the following radios. Ones that I definitely know will be coming with me as of right now are my Sangean CL100, my WR100 version 3, and potentially my WX150 that I have back home. With those three radios of likely consideration coming to campus later on, here are a couple of radios that may also join along or are in the debating stage for me. And those are my 12-528, my 74-200, maybe I might purchase a 12-550 at some point if I'm lucky. And that's pretty much all I can think of as of this very moment. The only catch to this is assigning the radios to what station they're going to run on. I haven't gone that far yet, nor am I going to be able to till the time comes. But whatever arrangement I go for, I'm sure it'll be fine. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little update video, along with me stating some clarifications as to my capability of getting these alerts as I've proven. And I hope you stick around for the next set of EAS videos that we'll be releasing in the next couple days or so. Have a nice day.